Good morning students. In this video I am telling you how will you write the program on BlueJ. So this is your desktop. Go to the desktop, click on BlueJ. You will get the screen, and the important thing is you have to write your all programs in your folder. So in future you can find out or access whatever the program you want. So there is a option in here. You see, this is project. What is this? This is project. Click on project. Then click on new project. New project means you are going to create your own folder where you have to do all the programs, right? First time you have to click over here new project. If you are doing the program next time, once you created your folder or project, so next time you have to open that project. So not every time you have to click on new projects. If you are creating the project or the folder first time, you will click on new project, right? So I am clicking over here new project. See, after clicking it, you will get this window. See, so after getting this window, what you have to do, click over here. You write your name. Suppose your name is Amit. You write here Amit, first name only, without any space. Suppose you are in class 8B. Write here 8, then write here B. Right? Then click on create. After that you will get this window. See, on the top here, see this one, Amit 8B. So what it is showing? It is showing that this is a folder which is being created by you, right? Maximize it. After maximization, you have to click here new class. For writing a new program, you have to click over here new class, right? After clicking new class, you will get this pop-up window, class name. So suppose you are doing the program for addition, right? Write here ADDITION. Click on OK. See here. After that you will get this rectangle box with the addition. Open this box. You will get already written program over here. You have to keep on pressing control key. See, this is a control key. This is a control key. I am pressing it. Control key, keep on pressing. Then press A. So you will get all the text or instructions will be selected. Then press the delete key. See here, this is a delete key in my laptop. After pressing it, this is the empty editor. Here you have to write the program. Suppose it is a program for addition of two numbers. So I will write public class, then class name. Class name, whichever you have written here on the top, you can see ADDITION. The same name must be over here. After that, curly bracket. Then void, VOID, void. Then function name. Function name must be user friendly because it is a addition of two numbers. And then two number will be inputted by int a, c, comma int b. Okay, this is the way for inputting the value of a and b. Then curly bracket means opening of function. Enter. Then int c is equal to a int C is the memory where addition of A and B will take place. A plus B semicolon, right? After that, what? System. In system, S will be capital, right? System dot out dot print, and after this, if you want to print the message, that will be within the quotation mark. Suppose sum is equal to, you want to print this message, then real value of addition. So what will happen? C is equal to, again quotation mark, then you have to put the plus sign, then the where the addition is being taken place, C, at C. So close it, then semicolon, enter, then after that closing of function, then closing of class. Then you have to, after writing the program, you have to compile your program. Click over here. Compilation means, so identifier expected, this message is coming. See, void sum is equal to C. This is the mistake over here in writing the program. So after this, then we are again doing compilation. It is coming. You can see no syntax error. Are you getting it? No syntax error. So it means, compilation means we have followed all the rules and regulation of Java. After this, what we will do, we will close it. After closing it, we will click over here, means we want to run the program. Click on new. So this message will come. This is creating an object. After creating it, on the bottom you will get this one. Right click over here, right click, then execute this function. It will ask the value of A and B. See, now it is asking. You put the value of A and B. Suppose I am putting 6, and for B, see here, this is int A, this is int B, 7. So what is the addition of 6 and 7? It is 13. You can see it is coming or not. It is coming. See. After that, what you have to do? You have to clear this result. If you will not clear this result, so when you will run the another program, this will be over there. So you will think the result is coming this one. Means your current result will come and the past result will be also displayed over there on the screen. Now close this one. Now you want to do another program. You can see here, your name is here, okay, Amit 8B. If you want to do the another program, the same procedure, new. After that, suppose for the multiplication we are doing the program, multi, you can write in the short form, okay, and the same procedure you can open it, Control A, select, then delete, then you can write the another program. So what is the advantage of creating a new project is, whatever the program you will do, that will be done always into the your folder or the new project. Okay, so after this, suppose you are going to close it. So I am going to close it. So when you are coming next time, see, what you will do, you will click on project. Now you will not click on new project because project you have already created. Open new project. So after this, you find out your project. You are Amit 8B, I think. This one. Now click on this one. After clicking on this one, click on open. Now you can see your two programs are over here. So how you have to run the program, you have to create a project, how you will write the programs, I have explained in this video, right?